Hello, welcome to Stafford Land Rover, and today I'm going to show you around this gorgeous Velar in Firenze Red. This car is next due for a service in September 21 and has previously only had one owner. This car has the black pack, therefore you have privacy glass, 22-inch satin light silver with a contrasting diamond toned finish, a powered tailgate with plenty of space there for personal items such as golf clubs and pushchairs. And you can also fold down those seats for more room for items such as a bike. You can either press the button there or on your keys to shut it, which is handy if your hands are full. And continuing around the car, you do also have a keyless entry. Therefore, if I lock the car, I can unlock it just by pressing the button as long as the key's near me, and the same goes for locking it. Going inside the car, you have the Panoramic tread plates and a lovely ebony leather interior, which is definitely easier than cleaning cloth. You also have a sliding panoramic roof, which is really nice on a sunny day or just to let more air in the car. Goes halfway back, and you do also have a windshield, and you can close it using the same button. And you do also have a sunblind which goes all the way across and can be controlled using those buttons. Touchscreen with many different functions including Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Eco data, which tells you how well the car is being driven, for example if you're braking too hard. Valet mode, which you can activate to only allow a valeter to access your climate control, which keeps your personal items secure. You do also have a sat-nav, which is great if you're in an unfamiliar area, which can also be portrayed onto that screen. I'll show you that after. A rear view camera, making parking and reversing a lot easier. Controls on your wheel, including a speed limiter, lane departure warning and blind spot monitor, which definitely makes driving along the motorway safer and easier. A heated steering wheel, along with heated and cooled front seats, which is ideal for winter and summer. And these seats are also massage, which is definitely a luxury to have, I can tell you that. The front seats are also memory, which is handy if there's several people in and out of the car. And you also have a Meridian sound system, which just makes the journey that little bit more enjoyable. This car has done 7,900 miles, and here I'll show you how to change the layout so you can have one dial, two dials, a full map which is easier to see, or your media. As you can see, you have various different driving modes including eco, comfort, grass, gravel and snow, sand, and you can also change the suspension. If you want it higher when you're going off-road, normal for just driving, and lower to make it easier to get in and out of the car. Stepping back outside the car, that was a gorgeous Velar at Stafford Land Rover. If you're interested in this car, please call 01785 211 31. Thank you.